knew I would have put mine on too.
Done.
I'm gonna check. This is so cute. This is so cute, right? Like do that? Yeah. I need a Band-Aid. Wow. Hi. I just came and got my henna out here in Coney Island. This is my second time coming to her. She's amazing. She has great prices. You gotta come down. Right here at Coney Island, right off the boardwalk. You gotta come. Aww. Why are you so cute? I love you. How are you?
I'm fine. How are you today?
I'm good. You like the henna?
Yes, I love it. This is my first time.
Good luck for you. Good luck. Good luck. Good luck.
Thank you.
Good luck. So beautiful.
She came
The
all the way
nails.
from
The nails is beautiful too. You see? Sometimes with the nail with henna, it's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you so much.
It's me. Can you itch me right here on my head?
You like it, right?
It's beautiful.
Thank you.
I love it.
Thank you.
This is my first time.
Me too.
Thank you. Look, babe, they're so cute. I love them. They're so cute.
I'm gonna wait for your mom. She's lying. She's like, she's lying.
Whoa, you don't steal? I don't steal.
Format, hands-on learning, and guidance from expert faculty. You'll gain the skills to drive innovation and make an impact in a rapidly evolving field with data to revolutionize patient care and outcomes. Apply today at fordham.edu/AH.
Thank you. The henna here is so good. It stays on all the time. It's so good. You should come here. Coney Island, come get it. My friend, and you get The henna here is so good. It stays on all the time. It's so good. You should come here. Coney Island, come get it.
You're gay. She's good.
My friend, and you get a friend.
Okay, show me. Get it. Bye. Thank you. I'll come to you too. I told her she doesn't know what the fuck you're talking about.
Explain.
Oh, sure. Can I do this one for $1?
You messed up the video.
I told her she doesn't know what the fuck you're talking about.
Explain.
Oh, sure. Can I do this one for $1?
You messed up the video.
There are many things in Tito's This one is the bumper cars. This one is the bumper car, so you basically bump into someone and then win against